Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to efficiently manage your tasks in the Asana app by changing their priority. Understanding how to prioritize tasks can help you stay organized. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the project that contains the task. Next, tap on the task you want to prioritize. This will open the task details screen. Then, locate the priority option within the task details. Click on Priority to see the available choices. Asana typically offers high, medium, and low priority levels. After that, choose the priority level that best reflects the importance of this task. High priority should be used for urgent or critical tasks, medium for important but not urgent tasks, and low for tasks that can be completed later or are less critical. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.